Hello there, Scott and Milligan here with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our most recent trades. It's a 2002 Tige 2100i, inboard with a Mercury 350 mag tournament edition engine on a single axle trailer. You can see it's 20i. It's a 20-foot Tige. Does have the taps plate on it. A single axle trailer. Very nice interior for its age. It's all no rips, no tears. Nice bow area here. Does come with the tower. You can see very nice seating all the way throughout. Nice storage area there. There you have it. Does come with a full cover. If you'd like some more information, please give us a call.